in today's video, I'm going to be giving you like a detox drink that can help to like shoot and make your metabolism very high, which can make you shed weight. Hello beautiful people, welcome back, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of watching any of my videos, thank you so much for watching and welcome. So on this channel, if you're a regular, you would know that I share a lot of skincare, DIY, health stuff, and most importantly weight loss. So today is another weight loss recipe. I have gotten a lot of like comments, basically comments on people saying that, oh, don't just tell people this is what they can do, it has to be a very healthy lifestyle. And I completely agree, because this is what you should really do. I'm not saying that if you go on eating junk and everything and you just take all those things, by the next morning you'll be totally like very skinny and everything. You have to put in the work, but you can't just like be laid back and not do anything. So some things actually like propel you to shedding weight. Sometimes some of those things that I share is really like for some people that have like low metabolism. If you take some of those things, it will really help you. So apart from you like eating healthy, some people eat healthy but yet the exercise, but yet be sincere, the fat, the belly fat, all those things do not go anywhere. It's a combination of so many things. It's a combination of you eating the right things, eating at the right time, knowing what to eat, knowing what to drink, knowing when to detox. I am very huge on body detox, because sometimes you eat well, not going to the toilet will not make you like shed weight. It's the simple things. Sometimes even if you eat well and you eat the right foods, you might still be very bloated and you don't know where this belly fat is coming from. So it's like I say, it's a combination of so many things. Your food, your diet, the time you eat, if you can involve yourself in a bit of exercise and so many things like that. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you like a detox drink that can help to like shoot and make your metabolism very high, which can make you shed weight. So even when you're not actively like doing stuff that can make you shed weight, your body burns the fat naturally. So keep on watching this video to see this very simple detox drink I'm going to be sharing with you. With the holidays come a lot of eating and drinking, and you definitely need this. So don't just even keep it to yourself, you need to share this to your family and friends. As a share food, you need to share this. So let's just cook this thing, or let's just make this drink together, and this is to a very healthy you. Okay guys, for this detox drink that can help you to jumpstart your weight loss plans, I need basically 4 things. I have lemon juice here. This is fresh, forget whatever is written on this bottle. This is fresh lemon juice. I usually buy lemons and I squeeze them into bottles so that it will preserve it, rather than just leaving it and letting it go to spoil. So I squeezed about 10 organic lemons into here, and this is pure lemon juice, no water has been added or anything. The second ingredient I'm going to be using is cayenne pepper. I have like half of a cucumber here. I have some garlic that I have skinned already, so this is just like 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm skipping, usually I use ginger, but for today I'm skipping ginger and I'm using cayenne pepper. If you want to like jumpstart and like make your metabolism go very far, I would advise you to use cayenne pepper. Like it really helps to like jumpstart your metabolism. So it's like makes you burn fat like on the high. Even when you're sleeping, your body is burning fat. So these are the 4 ingredients we are going to be combining for this detox drink. And definitely I have water too. Water is like the most important, and this is the jug I'm going to be using to add all these things together. So just to start, I'm going to cut my cucumber into slices and cubes so that everything goes into it. So guys, I've finished like cutting my cucumber, and I'm just going to pour this into my cup. Next, I'll cut my my garlic as well into small parts. We all know how strong garlic can be, so as in this is already like even engulfed with the smell already. If you want to blend it, you can blend it. If you want to like grate, you can grate. If you want to chop, it's totally fine. Anyone that works for you. I'm just going to give my lemon juice a good shake so that everything is like evenly distributed. And I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons. This is a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of my pure lemon juice. Can you see that? Can you see? I still have the dregs in it. So like I said, this is pure lemon juice. I squeezed everything into it, the dregs, everything of the lemon. I usually like it like this, so I'm still consuming the lemon. So everything goes in. And lastly, I will be taking about half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is really hot, especially for those that are not used to taking the pepper. So if you can't, just take like about half a tablespoon sometimes, or a teaspoon rather. Sometimes I take a full teaspoon, but for this quantity of the cup, which takes about half a liter of water, I'll tell you to take about half a sorry, why do I keep saying tablespoon? Half a teaspoon, sorry, of this. So that is it, guys. You can alternate this with ginger powder or with fresh ginger if you don't have cayenne pepper, but cayenne pepper is advised in this case. And I'm going to be adding my water to this. That's it. To give this a stir so that I make sure that everything is infused together. So guys, this is it. But what I like to do in this case is to leave it for at least 24 hours. I don't like to drink this immediately. I like to make it like a proper detox drink. So I'll make sure, or I'll leave this in the refrigerator for another 12 hours at least, so that I can take it the next morning. I like doing this at night, and I'll start taking it in the morning, or I'll do it in the morning, then I'll take it at night. If possible, I leave it for like 24 hours. But if you do this like 3 times a day, it will really help you. So people, this is the detox drink. Like I said, you can make it in the morning, take it at night, or you make it in the night, take it the next morning. It's perfectly fine, whichever way you choose. But I'll generally advise that you leave it to like infuse properly for at least 24 hours so that you're sure that you're getting all the ingredients from this. So instead of taking your fizzy drinks or other drinks, kindly replace it with this, and you see that you'll be on your way to like having a very good flat belly. Trust me, this thing works, but consistency is key, guys. You can take this for like 4 times a week, have it once in a while. I like doing this. It will help with bowel movement, it will help to speed up your metabolism, it would like make you like all those cravings will be at bay. And then generally, if you have a sweet tooth and you take something like this, trust me, you drop some of the things that you regularly take. So this is my video for you guys. If you know anybody that is trying to shed weight, kindly give this as a gift to them. You don't need to like spend some money, just share this as a gift to them. Really, they will really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, this would be a very perfect time for you to subscribe. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please follow me on Instagram as well at Adenoga, because I have many amazing stuff for you. Stay beautiful, stay fashionable, stay blessed, and be the best you can be in everything. Bye.